This is Oh Happy Day in the key of C. This was one of the very first songs I learned to play when I learned to chord, and it was a upbeat song that was just full of jamming, so I hope you have fun with this one. As always, stop the video right now, click on the description below, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. It'll make a lot more sense to you. All right, in the key of C, we have a few main chords to get out of the way. We have a C chord, C, E, G, F chord, F, A, C, A minor, A, C, E, G chord, G, B, D, and then we have an E minor at the bridge, E, G, B. Okay. Left hand is just going to play single notes. Keep it simple, guys. There's not a whole lot to chording, just really keeping it simple. So thumb on C here, line up your 5 fingers, and you don't have to really move this hand the whole song. So we'll play single C with our C chord. F in the bass, F chord, A minor to A in the bass, G to G in the bass, and then when we play the E minor, you'll just open your thumb up to the E chord with your E in the bass. The rhythm that we'll do to bring the two hands together is pretty simple. It's a 1-to-2 ratio, or together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And you could practice that on any chord. You could do together, right on the F, on the G, and so on. You could just practice that. Let's look at first one. This is the only time that I like to kind of like block chord instead of dun 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 dun. So what I mean is here, let's bring in some vocals. The greatest day in history. Move to the F. Death is beaten, you have rescued me. See how I'm just chording it through? I'm just block chording it through. Sing it out, Jesus is alive. Then you could do that, pick up that rhythm since it's a fast one. Let's repeat, or do line 3 there. The empty cross, the empty grave, F. Life eternal, you have won the day, A minor. Shout it out, Jesus is alive, F. Then you can pick up the beat here. He's alive, G. And then we go into the fast chorus. Oh, happy. Let me throw it. Slow it down for you here because it goes fast once you pick it up. But oh, happy day, F. Happy, A minor. You washed my sin away, C, C, F. Happy, A minor. I'll never be the same. Go back into that chorus so I can just go through that with you one more time. Oh, happy F day, happy day, A minor. Here we're gonna go to the G. Washed my sin away, C. Oh, happy F, happy A minor. I'll never be the same. All right, bridge just goes into a little bit different chord progression, just the order in which you play some chords. So, A minor. Oh, what a glorious day. Here's that E minor. What a glorious way. You can go to that F right there instead of coming all the way down here. You're already there for the E minor, so just go up one note to the F. What, let's see, that you have saved me, and oh, A minor. What a glorious day, E minor. What a glorious name, F. Hey, there's a C there. All right, so I'm going to play it beginning to end. I think you'll really have a lot of fun with this one. Go back to the beginning if you need some walkthrough of those chords and the different structure of how they play the verse versus the chorus versus the bridge. Really, you're just playing the 5 same chords that we learned. C, F, G, A minor, and E minor. And you're just changing the order in which you play them when you change from a chorus to a bridge or vice versa. All right, let's go. greatest day in history. Death is beaten, you have rescued me. Sing it out, Jesus is alive. The empty cross, the empty grave, life eternal, you have won the day. Shout it out, Jesus is alive. He's alive. And oh, happy day, you washed my sin away. Oh, happy day, I'll never be the same. Oh, happy day, you washed my sin away. Oh, happy day, forever I am changed. When I stand in that place, free at last, meeting face to face, I am yours, Jesus, you are mine. Endless joy, perfect peace, earthly pain finally will cease. Celebrate, Jesus is alive. He's alive. And oh, happy day, you wash my sin away. Oh, happy day, I'll never be the same. Oh, happy day, you wash my sin away. Oh, happy day, forever I am changed. Oh, what a glorious day, what a glorious way that you have saved me. And oh, what a glorious day, what a glorious way. And oh, happy day, you wash my sin away. Oh, happy day, I'll never be the same. Oh, happy day, you wash my sin